In this video, let me show you how to fix the Uber Eats not working. If you come across this issue while using the Uber Eats platform, let me show you a couple of common solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately do is try to force close the application. What this means is make sure you remove the app of Uber Eats from the recent app list and then try to see if this fixes the issue. If this is not the case with you, then what you can also try out is try to toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode. So make sure you first of all toggle on, wait for a couple of seconds and try to toggle it off again. If none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can do is try to clear out the app cache of Uber Eats. Just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, scroll down, head over to storage, and then just tap on the clear cache option. Apart from this, what you can also try out, if this method also does not work, is try to uninstall and reinstall the application of Uber Eats from your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be fixed. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.